YouTube TV allows you to add premium sports channels like NFL Red Zone, NBA TV, ESPN+, and more to your subscription. Here's how to add them step by step. Step 1. Open YouTube TV on your smart TV, streaming device, computer, or mobile device. Tap your profile icon and select Settings. Step 2. Go to Membership or Add-ons. This page lists all available premium channels and sports packages you can add to your subscription. Step 3. Browse through the sports channels and select the one you want to add, such as NFL Red Zone, NBA TV, or ESPN+. Click Add to include it in your plan. Step 4. Confirm the monthly price and select your payment method if prompted. The channel will immediately appear in your live guide and library. Step 5. Repeat the process if you want multiple sports channels. You can also remove them later by returning to Membership, Add-ons, selecting the channel, and clicking Remove. Step 6. Restart the YouTube TV app if the new channels don't appear immediately. All devices linked to your account will now have access to the added sports channels. Adding sports channels ensures you never miss live games, highlights, or exclusive sports content. Outro. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.